Wawan Massive and Crew, the jackfruit is very sweet. It is hot, sunny, and dry in Jamaica. So the fruits are really sweet at this time. So in this video, I am going to show you how I make apple carrot drink. I'm also adding a piece of ginger and the juice of one lemon. Now the lemon resembles a lime, but it's actually lemon. So for the apples, I am going to soak them in vinegar water solution for about 15 minutes to remove the wax. The carrots are peeled and washed, and I am cutting each carrot into smaller pieces to help with the blender's blade. The ginger is peeled as well and washed, and I am gonna cut the ginger into smaller pieces as well. And for the apples, I'm gonna do the same thing. Now I soaked the apples into vinegar and water solution, as I mentioned before, to get rid of the wax. You know, the wax that they painted or whatever they did. You know, the wax that makes the apples shiny. Yeah, I don't want that on the apples, so I remove the wax. And if you don't want to soak the apples for like 15 minutes, you can always peel them. I cannot find a clip of me blending the apples, the carrots, and the ginger. Anyway, I did blend them in enough water just to barely cover them because I don't want to water it down. I don't want it to be insipid. I want it to be very strong. You understand? So I blend until well smooth, and then I strain twice, once using a strainer and then using a piece of cheesecloth. If you don't have cheesecloth, you can use a clean kitchen towel. And then I added the juice of one lemon, and then I stir to combine well. Yeah man, I did not added sugar, neither honey. You understand, honey is still low-key sugar, especially the honey they're making nowadays. The honey them full of sugar. You understand? So no sugar to me thing. It drinks is sweet enough for me, so I don't have to use any form of sweetener. You understand? But that is just me, you know. You do what you want to do if you will be following this recipe. Anyway, the drink is refreshing, especially that it is very hot and sunny in Jamaica right now. Yeah man, so thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell. Jah guide and protect. One love. Walk good until next time.